Hi everyone, my name is Ms. Carr and today we are going to do our lesson for social studies for week 4. Last week we talked about different types of land and different bodies of water. The different types of land are mountain, which is the highest kind of land, hill, which is not as high as a mountain, and a desert. That is a land that is very, very dry, so think of all sand. Different bodies of water. We have an ocean, which is the largest body of salt water. Lake has land on all sides, and a river is long and flows towards a ocean or lake. When you think of a lake, think of a pool, because a pool is surrounded by land. It's just like that. And a river, think of a road. It's long and winding like a road would be. This week, you will learn about the 7 continents and 5 oceans that are on the earth. What continent do you live on? So this is a map of our Earth, not a globe. Remember, a globe is round, map is flat, and it shows us all the different continents. We have 7: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. The continent that we live on is North America. So if you were already thinking that, great job. And then there are 5 oceans on our Earth as well. A map of the world can show all of the Earth. The map below shows all of Earth's land and water. Remember, most of the Earth is covered by water. This is a picture of the United States. It is taken from space. This is an actual real picture of our United States. And the reason why it's brown and green is because it's land. Green, we have our grass, mud, dirt, all of that. So that's why it looks like that. Now this is all blue because that is where the ocean is. A continent is a large area of land. It's the biggest piece of land on the earth. There are 7 of them, okay? We live on the continent of North America, and within North America, we have Canada, United States of America, and Mexico. Those are all the countries in North America. There are 5 oceans on the earth. North America touches 3 oceans. It touches the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. So here's a closer look of North America, and it breaks it down to the countries so you can see where the countries are. So this whole thing is North America, but within it we have Canada, which is north of the United States of America, and then Mexico, which is south of the United States of America. And then here's all the oceans it touches. Okay, now we're going to watch a short video about continents and oceans.
We live on the planet Earth. It is made up of land and water. We get an idea about land and water distribution on the Earth by looking at a globe. A globe is a round model of the Earth. A globe, however, is not convenient to carry and has less details. Thus, we flatten the globe to get a map, like this. The blue area here represents the water bodies and the green area represents the land. Let's begin with the land area. The Earth's land makes up 30% of its surface and is divided into large land masses called continents. There are 7 continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. The continents are further divided into countries. Asia is the largest and the most populated continent in the world and is made up of 48 countries. Africa is the second largest continent. It has the most number of countries, that is, 54 countries. North America is the 3rd largest continent and is made up of 23 countries. South America is the 4th largest continent and is made up of 12 countries. Europe is the second smallest and the third most populated continent. It is home to nearly 50 countries. Australia is the smallest continent and is also known as a country continent. Antarctica is the southernmost continent made of large permanent glaciers. It is the only continent which is uninhabited. Angry Aunt Anju eats 9 sweet apples is a simple sentence to remember the 7 continents. The first letter of each word of this sentence will remind you of the first letter of the name of the 7 continents. Let us turn our attention to the water bodies of the earth. Around 70% of the earth's surface is covered by water. These large water bodies are known as oceans. There are 5 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. It covers almost half of the Earth's water surface. It separates Asia and Australia from North and South America. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world and is about half the size of the Pacific Ocean. It separates Europe and Africa from North and South America. The Indian Ocean is named after our country, India. The Indian Ocean is the third largest and the warmest ocean in the world. It lies south of India and separates East Africa from Australia. The Southern Ocean is the fourth largest and is also called the Antarctic Ocean. It borders Antarctica. The Arctic Ocean is the shallowest and the smallest ocean on Earth. It is located around the North Pole, bordering Asia, Europe, and North America. It is simple to remember the 5 oceans by remembering the word PAISA, PISA, Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. The 7 continents and the 5 oceans together make this world a beautiful, habitable place.
All right. So I hope that helped you guys to better learn about the 7 continents and 5 oceans. And if not, we're going to listen to a really fun, 2 fun songs about the continents and oceans. And this can really help with remembering how many there are and the names of them. So here we go.
The world is split up into continents, there are 7 in all. And if you get the gist, we're gonna make a list from biggest to small. They are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Hey, my name is Asia, and more than half of the world lives here, but whatever. And I am Africa with desert for miles, and my Nile is the longest river. North America, start down in Panama, wide open spaces all the way to Canada.
I'm South America with animals galore, where the rainforest grows, cause the rain really pours.
I'm Antarctica, and I'm totally ours.
And I'm Europe, you're welcome, for the pasta, pizza, waffles, and fries.
I am Australia, some call me Oceania. I got a lot of islands, too many to explain to ya.
We are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Awesome. And then here is our ocean song.
Hopscotch! About 70% of the surface of the earth is ocean water, and it's divided up in 5 parts from biggest to smallest. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Arctic.
I'm the Pacific, to be specific. I'm a third of the Earth's surface where my turf is. And my Mariana Trench is the very, very deepest in the sea.
And I'm the Atlantic, named after the Greek god Atlas, with the Bermuda Triangle and the Gulf Stream in me.
I'm the Indian Ocean, I'm the warmest around.
And I'm the Southern Ocean where Antarctica is found.
And I'm the Arctic, the smallest and the shallowest. But that's fine, you see, I've got more ice than you've ever seen. Even polar bears walk on me. We're the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Arctic.
One more time.
Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Arctic.
Awesome. All right. Thank you so much for listening. That's our lesson for this week. Just remember, a continent is a large body of land. There are 7 continents total. We live on North America, and there are 5 oceans. Thank you.